Hello everyone, my name is Abdulkarim Shukulai. I'm here to do a presentation demo on Berlin Media Archive API. Then the project is to construct a multimodal-RAG system for querying historical document and audio interviews. So I narrowed down my information search to AI. So the PDF I got is on artificial intelligence third edition, and also the podcast I got is on Sam Altman talks on ChatGPT, AI agent and super intelligence. So the TED talk I did recently. So my architecture, I divided my architecture into two stages. The first one is the injection and the second one is the retrieval. So for the injection, we have two documents. We have the PDF and the audio. So for the PDF, they are just normal injection. So before I continue, the database I use is Pinecone vector database. Because the reason why I use for Pinecone vector database is because it's serverless and it's also easy to query, and it's good to use. You can create like different index and all. So for the PDF, to continue, for the PDF ingestion, what I just did was, I use a PDF reader to read the information, then we extract the information. So after extracting the information, there are some blank pages, there are some information there that, like, there are some things that we don't need. So we have to clean it. So after cleaning it, we now do some cleaning. So after cleaning it, we now chunk it. So we chunk it based on the page numbers. So page 1, page 2, page 3, page 20, like that. So the next one, moving on to the audio injection. So this was like quite of a stretch. So this one, the first thing we have to do is we have to implement the diarization. So diarization is just we want to know who spoke and when did he or she spoke. So we have like Sam Altman and the interviewer in the podcast. So this is the implementation here, the diarization. Then also, like in the audio ingestion, so what we did here was, we first transcribe the information. We get the text in the audio. So after transcribing the information, we now want to apply the diarization to know who spoke and when he or she spoke. So this is to just know the speaker. Then based on the speaker, we now ingested the whole information. We ingest it. We want to know the time at which he make the statement and the end time at which he make the statement. So that was like the chunks that we now divided the whole postcard into. So that's for the ingestion. So moving on to the retrieval. So yeah, now we implemented something of hybrid search in the retriever. So hybrid search, I implemented something of like the normal search and BM25. So that was like a keyword search. So the reason why I implemented the hybrid search is the search matches it implements something called semantic similarity. So we want to know the similarity between different embeddings, the chunks, and also compare the query with the chunks. So it will already rank it. So now the BM25 is just like a keyword search. So it's something like it gets a keyword in the chunk. So based on the query, it compare the query with the keyword. So using the keyword, you can use to get information like vital informations in the document based on the query. So now after using the BM25, we perform something called reciprocal rank fusion. So it's just to merge the two strategies together. So after applying the two strategy, I now did something called re-ranker. So the ranker is just to just re-rank the whole document. So I use cross encoder to re-rank the whole document. So after no, let me just explain like why I use a ranker. So we might have some documents from like 1 to 10. Then like there will be some document be like 14, 15 that will have like importance in our in our output. So it will now get information from there, then re-rank it based on it. So it will just check the nuances in the document, how they relate to each other, and how they relate to the query. So it will now rank it, and it works well. So then after the retrieval, there's this called citation generator. So that one is just to generate the citation coming. So citation generator So that one is just to generate the citation, the citation engine. So after we got the old information, the old chunks, the old information, so we just generate the citation based on, so for the PDF, based on the pages, and for the audio based on the speaker and the timestamp. So yeah, then so I now implemented a fast API endpoint to just get the whole information. So now, so this one is just to to get the retrieval and to get the citation engine. So this one is to retrieve the chunks. So after retrieving the chunks, so this one will now, so due to the chunks, we now use to generate an answer. So now based on the chunks, we'll pass it into LLM, then get the full text. We have already gotten the chunks, and we've gotten the answer, and the chunks, like we've gotten the chunks, we've gotten the citation. So to pass it finally, to pass the whole information, pass the whole information finally into an LLM, then it now gets the output. So that's the output. So that's it. So my code base, this is the buying cone store, as I explained before. This is the embedding service, so the one that implements the embedding. So I implemented that. Then yeah, so this is the generation, this is the citation generation, then this is the retriever. So this is the retriever, the one that retrieved the whole information. Then what else again? So this is the search. So this is the hybrid search that I was talking about. you know um this is the BM25 keyword search. So the BM25 keyword search that I implemented. Then this is the hybrid search, the one that I use reciprocal rank fusion to implement the two implementations. So you can see this is the reciprocal rank fusion. Then so this is the ranker. This is the ranker by in using cross encoder. So that's the whole implementation. Yeah. So then my submission is like, so everything, the whole submission is done in submission folder. So that's it. Okay, so presenting the fast API endpoint that I built. So what does Sam Altman say about creativity and AI? So I run it here. Okay, so it's generating the answer. So you can see, so the question was, what does Sam Altman say about creativity and AI? Sam Altman stated that the creativity spirit of humanity is an incredible important thing. He gave the source, and it also gave the timestamp, so you can see. So that's it. So now let me just give another one. So what is AI? What is artificial? What's artificial intelligence? So let me just run this one. So you can see the field of artificial intelligence talks about it, then talks about the source, the PDF, AI.pdf, then also it talk about the page number. So you can see it's able to get the source and also the page number. Thank you very much.